Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Elite Singles offline. So first of all, download the app. Go back to your screen and then go ahead and download the app or visit the official website. In my case, I'm gonna type right here Elite Singles, right? Elite Singles Dating. Sorry, Elite Singles, something like that, right? And basically, before going offline, save or note down your profiles that you find interesting for later reference, and then trap messages that you can send once you're back online. Network with dating events or groups affiliated with Elite Singles if available. Use your offline time to think about date ideas and how to approach potential matches when you reconnect. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.